And it goes a little something like.
Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I do my Ember Genshin Impact makeup. Don't forget, before makeup, make sure you have already cleaned your face. First step, I'm going to use my favorite face mist. And don't forget to use a contact lens. Next, I'm going to lift my face using a face tip. As you can see, I'm trying to lift my jaw to look more sharper. But today, I'm using 3 pieces of face tape each side like this. Move to the eyebrow. Now I'm using glue stick to covering my eyebrow. Wait about 1 until 2 minutes, then applying the second layer of glue stick. I'm using a lip product to maintain a good lips so I can do a nice makeup on my lips. Back to the eyebrow, so we're ready to covering my eyebrow using makeover corrector. Take the first shade and then take my brush, gently tapping into my eyebrow until it's already covered up. Move to the face makeup. I'm using primer first before applying any face product to make sure my makeup long lasting and stay in place. Now I can correct my face using this corrector palette. Correctors are very useful if you had some problem on your face that affected discoloration or hyperpigmentation like redness, doodleness, and dark circles. And then blend it out using a brush.
And it goes a little something like.
Move to foundation. I'm still using my current favorite foundation from L'Oreal. Next, highlighting face. I'm using lighter color concealer from Maybelline and apply it into my chins, my under eyes, and my forehead. Then I'm blending it out. So the most important step is contouring. As usually, I'm contouring my face with my favorite product. Be careful in this step because it will be affect your whole makeup looks.
And it goes a little something like.
Then set all the face makeup using powder. Don't get it too a lot, just enough for setting my T-zone area. Again, sharpening my face using contour powder, mostly like face sculpting to get a nice look, of course. And then I'm using eye primer to make my eye makeup long lasting and stay in place. Okay, it's time to make brow. Ember brow is slim and kinda of sharp in the edge, so that's why I need to cover my eyebrow because it's different shape from my real eyebrow.
And it goes a little.
Hold on, now we move to eye makeup. Apply this shade all over my crease. Second shade just into outer eye and under eye. take my Beauty Glaze eyeshadow palette and using a sharper brush to apply a red color just from outer eye and under eye. And then take shimmer color, apply it into inner lid eyes using my finger and under eye and inner corner using my brush. And sharpening my brow using concealer to make it look more defined. Next step is curling my eyelash. Then I'm using eyeliner, apply it into my upper lash line. Using my favorite eyeliner product to make a small wing eyeliner. So this is my cheat doing cosplay makeup. I'm using invisible eyelid tape. This eyelid tape needs to be wet first to make the glue activated. Don't forget your mascara. Almost done. It's time to put false eyelashes. And don't forget to tidy up your eyeliner after putting eyelashes. Okay, it's also important. Don't forget to make a fake egg yourself. And draw an eyeliner on my bottom left part to make my eyes bigger. And then fill it a little with my Natural Republic eyeliner. Then blend it out with brush. Okay, it's time to putting bottom fake eyelashes. Come on, Luna, you can do it. A little more. Put blush onto my cheek and my nose. Highlighter. Don't forget this item is also important. Move to lip makeup. I'm still using my favorite lip from iMeme, red on my lips. Take the first shade for outer my lips. Then the fourth shade, the darker red color for inner my lips. And then take concealer, apply it into outer of my lips, then blend it out using brush. So I'm going to make my lips shiny using this lip gloss. Okay, last, set all my makeup using setting spray. Tada! It's time to change the wig. Come on, guys.
And it goes a little something like